What is up guys, welcome back to the channel, and if you're new here, well hi, my name is Sasha. I'm a 4th year veterinary medicine student as well, trying to become a content creator here on YouTube. So please consider subscribing, it truly means the world to me. And in today's video guys, well, it is currently 6 AM and today is my first day of 4th year as a vet student. So I cannot speak very loud because my girlfriend is currently sleeping. But right now it is time to make a cup of coffee, breakfast, shower, and I have to be ready at 8 since I'm leaving, and this morning I am assisting a horse castration, which is going to be very interesting, and then I will have to be back in the afternoon before 3 since my classes of 4th year start. Let's go! Okay guys, so it's currently 7:40 and the vet called me and told me that he had an emergency. I was supposed to leave in 30 minutes, which is because of a colic case in a horse, which means I have to leave ASAP. Okay guys, so we're just having a break right now and it's currently 10 AM and this morning I couldn't unfortunately film anything, but anyways it was nothing incredible. This morning we've seen a case of colic. We were called for an emergency as I said earlier, and this horse has some tympanism which is produced by gas. The vet that I'm with thought that it was due to a bacteria called Babesia, and so he took some blood sample, sent it to the lab, and now he is waiting for the result. What he did was to put a catheter in the intestine so that he could relieve the pain of the horse and to take the gas out, which is trying to fight the tympanism. And right now, since I'm living in Spain, we're doing something very common here, and it is to take a break and to eat something like a sandwich or something. So I'm just gonna drop the camera on the side. I'll meet you later since we have a very interesting case in entration of a horse, and I'll meet you there. So after 30 minutes of driving, we just arrived at the stables where the vet has to castrate a horse. It's going to be pretty impressive since the horse has to be standing still. He's going to be sedated on one part and with a local anesthesia on the other one. It's going to be quite interesting. I'm not sure I will be able to film this because you have to ask for a ride. But anyways, I will try my best, at least film the horse to show you who we are dealing with. And yeah, I think it's going to be quite interesting. As you can see, it is a very pretty place. And right now it's 11. My first classes of 4th year starts at 3 today, so it's gonna be quite a long day. Okay guys, so great news. The people here allow me to record some videos. I'm not allowed to record the surgery because this is graphic content, but I'm gonna show you the horse. This is the patient of the day. Very pretty horse. Okay guys, so I'm going back to my car right now. Morning's over for me. It was a very entertaining day. Okay guys, so as I was saying, I'm done right now. I just got back in the car. The surgery was amazing. Hopefully I didn't take the camera because it was an extremely bloody surgery. I got to help the vet cutting some parts. Anyways, I couldn't have filmed because I needed my hands to be completely sterile, so that will lower the risk of infection. But yeah, it was very entertaining. I could go in detail in all the drugs that he used in order to do the sedation, in order to do the anesthesia, but most of you probably don't know about them and don't care about them. Let me know down below in the comments, and in the next vlogs I will go more in details about all these very specific parts of the veterinary medicine. Right now I need to go back quickly. I'm running late already. My class starts in less than an hour and it would be a shame to be late on the first day of 4th year. I'll catch up with you guys later. Okay guys, so here I am. I just got back home. It is currently 9 p.m. It's very late. My classes ended up at 7. After what, I went to have a drink with my friends. It was a great time to meet them, talk about our summer, our holidays, and to know who's ready to go back to university. I also applied to be an intern at my hospital, which is gonna be in the internal medicine service. So fingers crossed. Today is almost over. I'm gonna make myself some dinner, probably edit the vlog that you're watching right now, and then go to bed. And tomorrow we get back into the routine of the gym at 7 in the morning. But anyways, thank you guys for watching this vlog. I really hope you enjoyed it. It was a very different content from tech. It was really towards university and veterinary medicine. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please let me know down below in the comments. I would really appreciate to know what you thought of this, and I'll meet you next week for a new video. Peace.